Let's build a real, complete dashboard page, one utility class at a time. Min-H screen genuinely guarantees this real page fills at least the full viewport height even with almost nothing in it yet, and BG Gray 50 gives it a soft, real off-white tone instead of stark, harsh white. Flex plus justify between is what will genuinely push the logo and nav links to opposite ends once both exist. Items center keeps them really aligned vertically, and shadow same adds a subtle real separation from the page below. Sticky combined with top 0 genuinely pins this real number to the top of the viewport once you scroll past it, and Z10 makes sure it actually stays above the page content instead of getting covered by it. Gap genuinely spaces these real links out evenly without manual margins on each one, and hover only actually swaps the color while a real cursor is over the link, not all the time. BG gradient to are combined with from and to genuinely paints a real, smooth color transition using only utility classes, no handwritten CSS gradient syntax anywhere. Opacity 90 softens the subtext just slightly against the bright gradient, rounded full turns this real button into a full pill shape, and transition is what actually makes the hover color change smooth instead of an instant snap. Max W5 XL caps how wide this real content can stretch on a large screen. MX Auto genuinely centers it in the middle, and the empty grid below reserves one real column on mobile. 3 once MD actually takes over. Rounded XL and Shadow MD together genuinely give this real first card a soft, lifted look entirely from utility classes, still zero custom CSS written. The exact same real utility classes, reused for a second card, prove this is a genuine, repeatable component pattern, not a one-off styled by hand. This real third card completes the actual 3-column grid on desktop, while still genuinely stacking to 1 column on real mobile widths below the MD breakpoint. Hover, translate, Y. One genuinely lifts each real card slightly on hover. Shadow XL deepens its shadow at the same real moment, and duration 300 is what controls exactly how fast that motion actually happens. Dark only actually applies when the user's real system is set to dark mode, swapping the card's background and text color instantly, with zero separate style sheet needed for it. BG Gray 900 gives this real footer a near black tone that genuinely closes out the page with a clear visual boundary, a common real pattern on production marketing sites. Text 4XL is genuinely the real default size on mobile, and MD text 6XL only actually takes over once the screen is wide enough. The same headline reads comfortably at both real sizes. No separate markup needed. Every utility from this entire series, flex, grid, color, spacing, shadows, gradients, hover states, dark mode, and responsive prefixes, now genuinely works together as one real page, built entirely without custom CSS. That's the full Tailwind CSS series. Go build something real with it.